and welcome back to Sunny Live Show. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga. How fun from the 16th to the 20th of March 2026 on Monday. Xoli Hensabelo unwittingly revealed the truth to Tsunami while Sugar Basin and his father make their intention regarding Thembi clear. Star confront Kehla about lying to her on Tuesday. Tsunami manages to drive a wedge between Xoli Hensabelo, Gumede invite Mamsara to the wedding. Thembi exhibits unfounded jealousy. Star again deals with the repercussions of Kehla's delinquency. On Wednesday, Tsunami moves another chess piece in his plot to revenge. Mamsara's past finally catches up with her. Kehla continues to sabotage Star on Thursday. Sabelo's actions have come back to bite him. Sugar Basin basks in his joy, with Thembi not knowing that shocking news hangs over him. Star is busted on Friday. Babs BC gives Mamsara 48 hours to tell Sugar Basin the truth. Thembi faces more challenges at Diva Vibes. Star must face the music. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.